In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to virtual care in Walmart 2025, step by step. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your browser and going to walmart.com. Once the homepage loads, look just below the main search bar. This area highlights featured services, and that's where you'll find the virtual care option. It may appear as a banner or a tile, depending on your screen size. When you see virtual care, click it. You'll land on the virtual care page. At the top, you'll notice a section that helps you find the right care. This page is designed to guide you quickly to the service that matches what you need today, whether it's something minor and time sensitive, support for your mental well-being, or resources related to specific treatments. First up is urgent care. This is ideal for common, non-emergency issues like cold and flu symptoms, minor rashes, simple infections, or questions you want a clinician to answer without waiting for an in-person appointment. It's meant to be fast and convenient, so you can get guidance and next steps quickly. You'll also see mental health. Here, you can explore options for counseling and support for concerns such as anxiety, stress, low mood, and more. Virtual mental health care is helpful if you prefer privacy, flexible scheduling, or a way to connect from home. There's also affordable GLP-1 resources. This section provides information and services related to GLP-1 treatments, often used in managing certain metabolic and weight-related conditions. You can review options, learn about availability, and see which providers support these resources. As you browse, the page will display participating providers. You'll typically see names, brief descriptions of what they offer, availability, and pricing or eligibility notes. Many providers offer care 24/7, which means you can begin a visit anytime, morning, late night, or weekends. Remember, virtual care is not for emergencies. If you're experiencing a life-threatening situation, seek immediate in-person help. When you're ready to explore who can help you, click View Providers. This opens a detailed list so you can compare services side by side. Look for key details such as wait times, visit types offered, and any notes about cost or insurance acceptance. If you have coverage, check whether your plan applies. If you're paying out of pocket, confirm the price before moving forward. A couple of quick tips as you proceed. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, be in a quiet space for your visit, and have any relevant medical history or current medications handy. That's it. Simple, clear, and ready when you are.